Salute. I don't know why bangifuna phansi phethe umdali nabaphansi. I don't know. Hey yo, give me a chance and I'll cause out my fast performance lapha emics kwakhana bandvane emajaji emakoneni backstage bafakaza kwabasiphithiphithi ngathi bafake plaza lokwasakazatha saplaza sazama basi kwenzetela phasi njengesincamo lasenkawusa bebathi stawmizer buka mashi life iyaqhakaza salute empire babasaphaza kanjani engani kuphekwe ngagalaza labondaba lamaqaba lawa emakoneni kushisa umfaba khuluma bathi siyabhuqa ekubeni ngibona abagwevela obhalaza. We know this guys ubachaphele son banock this guys with fake smiles and weird eyes bathi inhlanhla kansi ngomdladla nemandla somandla ke umdala kuthi ke ngiphande ngakhe idladla lami nedladla lebatali bami ngesibala. But anyways I'm on the road to success, overlooked in my blessings. Yakutshela nangele maphupha yangitshela imali nempumelelo isisonzele cha. Too many life obstacles, but believing within me it's possible. Naskaphila impilo fresh and straight. What's a dash nale ice, make it nice, cool glass. I guess I learned my lesson. So many blessings. We grew up with too many castles. Besides abatagats, witchcrafts, this bastards. Let's fill up my casket. Fuck it. Holy water when I spread these verses like a past. I don't know why them fool apart. No, pets umdali nabaphansi. No, never my babo, I know abang cool. My babo, no, I know abang cool. Entered the game in a flame, made me a name. #1 top spot, that's where I remained. I have no regressions, constant progression. Matters a black hills and it's only connections, protections, no objections, clear directions. This is intellectual rapper profession, attention. Anyways, nowadays rap is fashion, perfect comfort domination. In a quick duration for intuition, penetration. Kill weak and unique MCs with the intention of the culture sanitation. Death notice, captions, cases and ambiguous investigation. Trackers couldn't trace my tricks on tracks too sick with words and raps. Niggas, I'm chasing the cracks. I leave cracks to split necks on who or whatever's next. No offense, it's just facts. And think life's a relay, and I was told around blacks never to relax. We are slow progress, meaning we're too relaxed to note our nation or continent is hustling reverse. Not making any change, no difference. I don't mean to depress the press. It's just a unique verse for you and the rest of the universe. But first, then I put my cash when the one that none pass. Since now me push it talent to the cash, then I dash. Mara no, I'm all laced up and back for my place and play to 8 fool. It's kinda painful when you play fool when you're supposed to pay me in full. Ha! I don't know. Yibble. I don't know why them fool apart. No, pets umdali nabaphansi. No, never look. My babo, I know abang cool. My babo, I know abang cool.